Hi and welcome back to Morgoths Media, where I'm going to start doing some reviews on meals for one, and I'm going to start off with a chicken tikka masala with a pilau rice from Asda. You get 3 for £6. Don't look too bad. Let's give it a go and see what it's all about, shall we? Thank you. So yeah, as I say, this chicken tikka masala with pilau rice. Let's turn this over and see what's on the other side. As you can see, you get 900-watt microwave, 7 minutes, can store from frozen. Let's have a little look inside this, shall we? Once you get plenty of rice, let's give it a few little prick holes so it steams and the old lid comes off nicely. Get yourself a nice white plate. That's been cooking in the microwave, be very careful, it's very hot. It should easily come away now, as you can see. Lovely, look at that. Lovely and easy to take away. And we've got this rice here, it's a bit clumpy at the minute. But we'll get yourself a fork, give it a nice little fluff up. Look at that, lovely. We've got some cloves in there. And some cardamom seeds, let's be careful of those. Try to get as much of that out as possible. Nice and steamed rice, lovely. Got itself a little well in the centre. Let's get some of this lovely, glossy, thick, creamy, buttery sauce. Chicken tikka, as you can see, that nice grilled chicken there as well. Beautiful. Look how it coats the fork there. Oh, get as much of that as possible. Let's get in there, shall we? Nice, lovely, nice charred chicken there. Hi, and there you go, guys and girls. That is the curry. Let's give it a go, shall we? As you can see, you've got the charred bits of chicken there. Let's see what that's like. Let's give it a go. Let's get a bit of rice on there first of all. A bit of the old pilau rice. And a nice bit of chicken there, chunk of chicken. Oh, that's lovely. That's nice and tender. Chicken's nice and tender. Proper bits of chicken, none of that processed rubbish, as you can see, like I say here. Look at that. See that? Proper cuts of chicken there. Sauce is nice and creamy. Proper coats the, you can see the back of the fork there. The rice is nice. It smells absolutely delightful, really does smell lovely. Really gets the taste buds going. Not at all hot. I think just enough there with a naan bread, maybe a beer, a couple of poppadoms. That's enough for one. That's a good one. Would I buy that again? Yeah, I would. That's nice, decent, nice one, Asda's. Keep them coming.